Did you know that it's possible to launch your own white labeled community app in the App Store in less than 30 days? In this video, I'll show you how to do that, and I'll give you the step-by-step breakdown so you don't have to be technical or deal with any bulk data migration to do it. Once you have a proven offer, meaning that you've made over $1 million with your community, or you have at least 1,000 paying users, that's kind of where we see a good opportunity to move to your own white labeled app. If you're still proving out your offer, a Facebook group is great, or some other platform where people are already engaging on that platform. It's very difficult to take people to a brand new group, and not only a brand new group, but also a new platform. We find the right time to do this is when you have a certain critical mass, at least a few hundred users, or maybe even 1,000 paying users, and that will create enough critical mass to move to your own custom app. Now, if you've got that proven offer, you already have a thriving community, and now you're just looking to go to the next level and launch your own custom app. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that using Tribe Social. Okay, so let me clarify what I mean by a white labeled app. We're talking about an iPhone app in the App Store. I'm talking about an Android app in the Google Play Store, and a website on your custom domain. Between all these different platforms, you'll be able to serve your community depending on their preference, whether they're on the go or they're sitting at their desk learning. So let me break this whole process down into 4 weeks. First, in week 1, we're going to do a kickoff and discovery. First, we'll kick off with a strategy call with our team. And in this, we're going to take all of your groups, all of your courses, all the content, the live streams, all of the different user types, even the legacy offers, and we're going to kind of map that into one giant blueprint where you can see your entire community in a visual diagram and how it's all going to get connected. In week 2, we are in build mode. This means that we are setting up servers and databases and getting domains connected and a bunch of technical things for you. Now, you don't have to worry about all those technical details. Our team is going to handle all that for you, and we're going to hand that off to you at the end of the 4 weeks, where you can take full ownership of those accounts and be in control of your app. So in week 2, we're setting everything up, and you get to see that first draft version of your app. Week 3 is all about user and content migration. Now, if you're established community, you probably have thousands of pieces of content and potentially thousands of users that you need to migrate. We're going to make this process really simple. Our team has built some great integrations with Google Sheets and Zapier, where we can take all of your users and all of your content and bulk upload it into the platform. We'll take that blueprint from week 1 and we'll map all your users, your content, and all of the courses into the right places so that everything is the way that we architected it in week 1. In week 4, we're reviewing your app and we're launching it on the App Store, the Google Play Store, and even on your own custom domain. You'll get to test the app, click around, have your team click around and check it, make sure all the users are in the right place, make sure all the groups and courses are in the right place. You'll work with our team to get that last minute punch list done to get it ready for launch. So that's the 4-week plan. We essentially can go from having a planning session to having the app in the app stores publicly available for your community. Now, if you've worked with a web or an app developer before, sometimes this process can be painful. So we have made this as simple as possible and as streamlined. We have templates for different things to make it super fast to pull in different modules and set this up in record time. And the best part is you're not actually launching a brand new app. This is actually a stable, solid app that's been around for 5 years. We have 20,000 active users every single month using the app across Android, iOS, and web. And so we're not putting a brand new piece of technology, brand new app out there. We are essentially customizing it for you and just making it polished, and then you get to build on that solid foundation and tailor it exactly to your community. Now, once your app is in the App Store, it's in the Google Play Store, and now it's published to the website, there may be this feeling, okay, like now what? So part of our process is we offer 12 months of maintenance and upgrades for you. So part of that 12-month support also includes supporting your community members. So obviously we're here to support you, but if your community members themselves actually find a bug, they can leave a comment, comes back to our team, we handle that, fix it, and push it back. So this means we don't have to add any additional stress to your existing support team. Now, launching a white labeled app is not for everyone. If you're just starting out, trying to figure out your offer, I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Software is probably not gonna fix a bad offer. So what you wanna do is just leverage other tools, go to other platforms like Facebook and get your offer dialed in and proven first. But this could be a great next step for you if you already have a proven offer, a thriving community, and you're just looking to level up the experience to have that polished branded look and having that custom app in the App Store for your community. Now, if this sounds great and you'd like to book a strategy call, I'm gonna drop a link in the description below where you can click on that and pick a time to chat with our team. We'll be able to see if this is a good fit for you and figure out next steps from there. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments below, or you can email our team directly at help@tribe.social.